Hi everyone, I'm Ofalango and welcome you all in Grammar in Detail. If you are new and not subscribe the channel, so subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Today we will be discussing the third parts of speech that is known as adjective, and we will discuss its definition first. An adjective is a word which adds something in the meaning of noun or pronoun. It describes quality, goodness, badness, color, size, shape, quantity, temperature, number of a person, place, or a thing. Now, see, an adjective is a word which has something in the meaning of noun or pronoun. See, in our previous two parts of speeches, we have already discussed noun and pronoun. Now, what was noun? We discussed name of a person, place, or a thing. Pronoun, which is a word which is used in the place of a noun. So, over there, one thing is to be noticed that, uh, you know, noun and pronoun and the all parts of speech are like chain. If you know noun, you will be able to understand pronoun. If you know noun and pronoun, you will be able to understand adjective. And if you understand noun, pronoun, adjective, you will understand verb in the same way: adverb, conjunction, interjection, and preposition. So it is like a chain. If you know from the beginning, so you will understand them one by one. So today we will be discussing about adjective. An adjective is a word which has something in the meaning of noun and pronoun. It is the of definition here till here. A noun is an adjective is a word which has something in the meaning of noun and pronoun. Now this second part of the definition, it describes. Now it describes. It has something in the meaning of noun and pronoun. It describes quality, goodness, badness, color, size, shape, quantity, temperature, number of a person, place, or a thing. Now, first example we have for that is quality. Now, see, intelligent, brave, and active are the adjectives which describe quality of a person, place, or a thing, or of a pronoun. I say he is an intelligent student, you are a brave person, and he is an active person. So, see, intelligent, brave, and active are adding something in the meaning of noun and describing the quality. Second example, we have goodness. Now, see, nice, good, and kind are called the goodness. I say he is a nice person, she's a good doctor, and he is a kind man. So, nice, kind, and good and kind are adding something in the meaning of noun. So, that is known as adjective. After that, badness, cruel, bad, and unkind. Clear, that is known as the badness. I say he was a cruel leader, he is a bad man, and my friend is unkind. Now, over there, cruel, bad, and unkind are adding something in the meaning of noun and describing the badness. Actually, they are the part of quality. In quality, we have got goodness and badness both. We have got good qualities and as well as bad qualities. Number four, we have got color. Now, color is also adjective, red, brown, and white. I say it is a red shirt. I have a brown jacket, and he has got a whiteboard. So, white, brown, and red are adding something in the meaning of noun and pronoun describing color. After that, we have got size. Big, small, and large are the adjectives which are going to describe the size. I said it is a big room. I have a small jacket, and he has a large, room for the guests. So large, small, and big are adding something in the meaning of noun and pronoun. They are describing size. And next we have got shape. I say the world is round, and triangle, the pyramids are triangle in shape, and square. Most of the rooms are built in square shape. So that is adding something in the meaning of shape and describing it, the noun and pronoun. Quantity, like I said, little, there is little water in the glass. I have much petrol in tank, and he has enough uh, sugar in the kettle. So that is what the much, little, and enough are describing the quantity of noun and pronoun. Next we have got temperature. Like I say, hot, cold, and normal. The weather is hot. Now hot is adding something in the meaning of weather and describing the temperature. We have got cold weather mostly in Quetta. So cold is describing the noun and telling the temperature of weather. Normal, we have got normal weather nowadays in Quetta. So this is what describing the weather. Next, we have got last, that is known as number. I say I have a friend, but I have one friend. He took first position. He has a single bat, and I have some problems. So this is what they are describing the number. So those adjectives which add something in the meaning of noun and pronoun, they describe quality, goodness, badness, color, size, shape, quantity, temperature, and number of a noun and pronoun are known as the adjectives. So we have already discussed the definition. Now let's discuss the kinds and the structure of adjective. Adjectives have got kinds, positions, grades, and degrees. We will be discussing them one by one. Now the kinds of adjective are 12. Adjectives of quality or descriptive adjectives, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives, numeral adjectives, interrogative adjectives, emphatic and emphasizing adjectives, exclamatory adjective because it is one in number, distributive adjective, quantitative adjective, proper adjective, phrasal adjective, and denominal adjective. There are 12 kinds which are as mentioned here, and I read it for you one by one, and we will be discussing them one by one. Positions of adjective are two: attributive position and predicative position. And grades of adjective are two: gradable adjectives and non-gradable adjectives. So for the degrees are three: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative. So these are the kinds and position, grades, and degrees of adjectives. Hope you got today's lecture, and we will have the first kind in the next lecture. See you next time with next lecture. Goodbye.